Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have our weekly Google Chrome update for security that has happened today, July the 29th, 2025. If you go to your Google Chrome browser, upper right corner in the three vertical dots, and help and about Google Chrome, you will have been moved to 138.0.7204.183 or 184, depending on Mac or PC, Windows PC. And there are in here 4 security updates that are being fixed, mostly with the streaming within the browser. So apparently when you're streaming some media, audio or video, you could cause a problem where the browser can be taken over. It's high severity, so it's pretty important to fix. And we'll probably be moving on to the Chromium browser. So if you have been using a Chromium browser, which is almost everything except the Firefox browser, you should take a look for updates this week at some point. I will be looking at Edge at some point. Didn't talk about the Edge update last week, but it happened late in the week. So I think it's Friday that it was released as a new version to fix the security updates. So check it out. Of course, it's your first line of defense. It is the most important thing to do to stay safe, is to really update your software. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.